Do you feel drained after meals, constantly crave something sweet, or get foggy in the afternoon? You're not alone. Over 88 million American adults have prediabetes, and most don't even know it. And no, it doesn't require meds, starving yourself, or giving up all carbs. Today, we're diving into 7 science-backed, natural ways to bring your blood sugar down gently and effectively, so you can feel more energized, focused, and in control. But here is the good news. You have way more control over your blood sugar than you think. If you're over 40 and want to stay sharp, active, and healthy as you age, stick around. Tip number 5 is something even most doctors don't talk about. The problem minus 1.5 minutes. Here's what most people get wrong about blood sugar. They think it is only a concern if they have diabetes. But blood sugar regulation affects everyone, especially as we age. Chronically elevated blood sugar, even just slightly high, can damage blood vessels, fuel inflammation, and contribute to heart disease, memory loss, and fatigue. The typical advice? Eat less sugar. But it's not just about cookies and sodas. Even healthy foods like granola bars, fruit juices, and whole wheat bread can spike your glucose more than you realize. And here's the kicker. As we get older, our insulin sensitivity naturally declines, making it harder to keep blood sugar in check. But you don't have to accept this as inevitable. With the right habits, you can dramatically improve your body's response to sugar naturally. Studies show that just a 10 to 15-minute walk after eating can lower post-meal glucose by up to 30%. That's because your muscles act like a sponge, soaking up sugar from your bloodstream and using it for energy. Let's jump into what actually works. When you eat protein or healthy fat before carbohydrates, it slows down digestion and sugar absorption. This small tweak can make a big difference. One study found that eating veggies and protein before carbs led to significantly lower blood sugar and insulin levels. 1 tablespoon diluted in water, taken about 20 minutes before eating, can reduce glucose spikes by up to 34%. Main content 8 to 10 minutes. 1. Walk after you eat. Just 10 minutes helps, in fact. Just one night of bad sleep can impair insulin sensitivity by 25 to 30%. One of the simplest and most effective ways to blunt a blood sugar spike is to move your body after meals. It's not just good for your energy, it's essential for metabolic health. The key is movement. Think of it like taking out the trash right after dinner instead of letting it pile up. If you can't walk, even standing or light housework helps. 2. Eat protein and fat before carbs. Just delay breakfast a little and notice how you feel. Research suggests that Ceylon cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 29%. Start slow, don't jump into extreme fasting windows. A 12 to 14 hour overnight fast can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce morning blood sugar levels. Just check with your doctor if you're on medications, as it can enhance their effects. Great sources include spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and black beans. The order you eat your food matters more than most people realize. Next time you sit down to eat, try this. Start with your salad or a few bites of chicken, then move on to the rice or bread. 3. Embrace apple cider vinegar, but time it right. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar after meals, especially high-carb ones. Make sure it's raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother, and always dilute. It's acidic and can harm your teeth if taken straight. 4. Prioritize sleep. Yes, it's that powerful. Keep your room cool and dark, avoid screens an hour before bed, and establish a calming evening routine. Poor sleep isn't just exhausting, it raises your cortisol levels, which directly increases blood sugar. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. 5. Add cinnamon to your day. Here's the lesser-known tip most people skip. Cinnamon isn't tea just a spice, it has a powerful blood sugar regulator. You can take control of your blood sugar naturally. Imagine fewer energy crashes, sharper focus, better sleep, and a body that feels more balanced. That's possible, and it starts with daily habits like these. Start with 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily. Sprinkle it on oatmeal. Blend it into a smoothie or stir it into tea. 6. Try intermittent fasting, but gently. Low levels are common in adults over 40 and are linked to higher insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting doesn't mean starving. It simply means giving your body a break from constant eating. Also, don't miss our next video, Hidden Sugar Bombs. 5 healthy foods that secretly spike blood sugar. It's eye-opening. Think of it as a nightly reset for your metabolism. 7. Add magnesium-rich foods to your plate. Magnesium plays a crucial role in glucose metabolism. If you're not getting enough from food, talk to your doctor about a magnesium glycinate supplement, gentle on the stomach and easy to absorb. Mini recap plus encouragement to 1 minute. Let's quickly recap. Walk after meals, eat protein before carbs. Use apple cider vinegar before eating. Prioritize sleep, add cinnamon, try gentle intermittent fasting. Eat more magnesium-rich foods. Small steps can make a big difference, especially when done consistently. Call to action, 30 seconds. Which of these tips are you already using, and which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it.